Hiya. This is steamer.
There you go.
Thing.
Right, when you're using it,
Yeah.
the bottom one's the top one, the middle one's the middle one, and the top one as it is now is the bottom one. So you basically reverse those so they stack on each other. All right.
Okay, thank you.
And the blue one at the bottom there's the rock for the rice.
Okay.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Cheers.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too.
Ito siya, guys. Vegetable steamer. Pwede paki-open. Ano, sa likod. Can you open it? Oh no, okay lang. Okay lang. Yan. Ito po yung vegetable steamer. Ayan po siya, guys. Hi, nako, Dolor. So, ayun, guys.